In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archive tasks in ClickUp. ClickUp is a popular project management tool that many people use to keep their tasks organized. Whether you're decluttering your workspace or simply need to retrieve an archived task, understanding how to manage your archived items is an essential skill. So, let's dive into the steps to locate those archived tasks with ease. First off, you'll need to navigate to ClickUp's website and log into your account. Once you're at the ClickUp homepage, spot the login button and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your ClickUp workspace. With access to your account, the next move is to locate the specific list, folder, or space where your task was archived. Think of these as organizing layers within ClickUp. Your task was once active in one of these. Head over to the sidebar where you can explore these different sections and click on the relevant one. Now that you've selected the appropriate space, it's time to use ClickUp's filter feature. On the toolbar above your task list, you'll see a filter option. Click on it and it will open up a range of options to refine what tasks you see. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Archived. Go ahead and select that option to view archived tasks. Once you've filtered for archived tasks, you'll notice a three-dot button or more action icon beside each task. Click on this icon for the task you wish to work with. This action opens up various options. Look for the Unarchive option in the drop-down menu and click it. By doing so, you're setting your task back to active status, bringing it right back into your workflow. Additionally, if you prefer a more direct approach, the search function in ClickUp can also come in handy. You'll find a search bar located prominently within the platform. Click it and then apply a filter to narrow your results. Repeat the earlier step by selecting Archived within the filter options to zero in on the task stored away. After your search results populate, click on the task you want to reinstate. Again, the Unarchive button will be your go-to command here, bringing back any task you need to revisit or regain access to. It's a simple action that packs a punch by seamlessly toggling the task's visibility. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated how to find and restore archived tasks in ClickUp. By using these clear steps, you can keep your workspace running smoothly without the clutter of unnecessary archived items blocking your view. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to stick around ClickUp and explore more functions that can enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.